Well, what am I doing? Well, I ate lunch. I went for a little drive. Telling one of the people at the RV park about canoe access. Kayak. So, I go up the road, upstream, about 5 miles, there it is. Oh. And what it is, little walkway down to the river, Sharoon. You know, I can handle that. Big white steps, even got a little handrail down there. Guy take the kayak down there for me. I load it up, go there, away I go. Dig this, there's little coves and places like this off the river. Kayaking, yeah. So I gotta choose. I want to come up here and go down to this resort, or go from the resort down the one-lane bridge. You know what I'm thinking? Heads I win, tail you lose. I think I'm coming up here. Hopefully tomorrow. Have a fine day. Get out and enjoy it. Don't be stuck in the mud. Don't just sit in your house and do nothing. Jeez. There's a whole world out here to explore and conquer and do. What's the matter with you? Later.